If you want to have a perfect orchid pod, make sure to watch until the end of the video. Today, I'm going to share a fertilizer trick that will make your whole garden bloom. If you find it helpful and haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to get the latest and best orchid care videos. First, we need to carefully trim away any rotten and dried up roots. Removing these damaged parts is really important because rotten roots can harbor harmful bacteria and fungi that might spread and damage the entire plant. Dry, shriveled roots no longer function properly and can drain energy from the healthy parts. By cutting them off, we help the plant focus its resources on growing new, strong roots that can absorb water and nutrients effectively. This not only improves the plant's overall health, but also prevents further infections and supports better growth and flowering in the long run. Next, we will use a potato as part of our fertilizer preparation. Chopped potatoes. We will carefully cut the potato into small pieces to get it ready for the next step. By breaking it down into smaller chunks, we increase the surface area, which helps the potato release its nutrients more efficiently. This also makes it easier to blend or mix with other ingredients, ensuring the nutrients are more readily available for the plants when we use it in our fertilizer preparation. Additionally, smaller pieces speed up the decomposition process, allowing beneficial microorganisms to break down the potato faster. This results in a richer, more nutrient-dense fertilizer that will better support your orchid's growth and flowering. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to support me and never miss any orchid care tips. Put the chopped potato into the blender. Put the chopped potato into the blender because blending breaks it down even further, turning it into a smooth puree. This process helps release more nutrients and starches quickly, making them easier for the plants to absorb. Pour 250 milliliters of water to make blending easier. Adding water helps the blender process the potato smoothly, preventing it from getting stuck and ensuring a consistent texture for the fertilizer mixture. Filter the solution through rails. Default text, the leftover pulp can be used as fertilizer. It's rich in organic matter and nutrients that break down slowly, nourishing the soil and other plants over time. Prepare the baking soda. Use 1 spoonful of baking soda. Pour 1,000 milliliters of water. Baking soda helps orchids by regulating the pH level of the soil or growing medium, creating a slightly alkaline environment that can reduce fungal growth and prevent certain diseases. It also acts as a mild disinfectant, helping to keep harmful pathogens and pests like powdery mildew and mold under control. Using baking soda carefully can support healthier roots and overall plant vigor. We'll use this baking soda solution to care for the plants in the garden, starting with wiping the leaves. When we wipe the leaves with this mixture, the baking soda helps maintain a balanced pH on the leaf surface, which can reduce fungal growth and prevent diseases. This creates a healthier environment for the plant, making the leaves greener, stronger, and more resilient. Doing this early in the morning is ideal because the stomata, the tiny pores on the leaves, are just opening, allowing the plant to breathe better and carry out photosynthesis more effectively. Wiping the top surface of the leaves removes dust, dirt, and harmful pests like aphids, red spider mites, and other insects that settle there, keeping the plant's surface clean and reducing damage from pests. The underside of the leaves is where many pests tend to hide, as well as where most stomata are located. Cleaning this area helps eliminate these hidden pests and promotes better gas exchange through the stomata, which is essential for the plant's respiration and overall nutrient uptake. In addition, baking soda acts as a mild disinfectant. Its properties help to reduce the spread of pathogens on the leaf surface, making it harder for diseases like powdery mildew or mold to take hold. This natural protection supports the overall health and longevity of the plant. By regularly wiping the leaves with this baking soda solution, you create a healthier growing environment for your orchids and other garden plants. It's a simple, cost-effective method that keeps pests and diseases under control, while helping the plant function at its best, resulting in greener, stronger leaves and a more vibrant, thriving garden. Method 2 involves using a spray bottle to mist the plants with the nutrient solution. This method is especially suitable for those with busy lifestyles who may not have much time for intensive plant care. Spraying the liquid fertilizer directly onto the leaves and stems allows the plant to absorb essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients quickly through its foliage, bypassing the slower process of root uptake. Because the solution is in liquid form, the nutrients dissolve easily and penetrate the leaf surface more effectively. This helps stimulate faster and healthier growth, encouraging stronger root development and more abundant, vibrant blooms. It also provides an immediate nutrient boost that can help plants recover from stress or damage more quickly. Using a spray bottle is also practical because it evenly distributes the solution across the plant, reaching all parts of the leaves and stems, including hard-to-reach spots. This comprehensive coverage maximizes the benefits and helps prevent issues like nutrient deficiencies or pest infestations. This method requires less time and effort than other fertilizing techniques, making it ideal for gardeners who want effective results without a complicated routine. With consistent use, your orchids will develop lush foliage, stronger roots, and produce stunning flowers, ensuring your garden remains healthy and vibrant throughout the growing season. Mix the potato juice with the baking soda mixture. The potato juice is rich in starches, vitamins, and minerals that provide essential nutrients for growth, while the baking soda helps regulate pH and acts as a mild fungicide, preventing fungal diseases and pests. Method 3 involves thoroughly watering the plants with the potato and baking soda solution, ensuring deep penetration into the root zone. This method allows the nutrients and beneficial compounds to be absorbed directly by the roots, which is the plant's primary system for taking in water and minerals. When the solution soaks the growing medium completely, it helps deliver essential starches, vitamins, and minerals from the potato juice, along with the pH balancing and mild antifungal properties of baking soda, straight to where the plant needs them most. Deep watering like this promotes stronger, healthier root systems by providing the roots with a steady supply of nutrients and helping to improve soil or growing medium conditions. A healthy root system supports better water and nutrient uptake overall, which translates to more vigorous growth, improved resistance to stress and diseases, and ultimately, more beautiful, abundant blooms. Additionally, this soaking method helps flush out any accumulated salts or toxins in the growing medium that might harm the roots, keeping the environment clean and favorable for plant development. It's especially beneficial during dry periods or after repotting when plants need extra support to recover and establish themselves. By consistently applying this thorough watering technique with the potato and baking soda solution, you're ensuring your orchids receive a balanced mix of nourishment and protection, helping them thrive, stay resilient, and flower beautifully season after season. To prevent your plant from getting waterlogged when watering with the potato and baking soda solution, you should water about 1 to 2 times per month. Water just enough to moisten the roots without soaking the soil or growing medium excessively. Each time you water, make sure the solution penetrates evenly to the roots, but avoid letting water pool at the bottom of the pot or around the base of the plant. We'll soak the plant in the solution for a certain period. Then, carefully take it out. It's important not to leave the plant soaking for too long because excessive soaking can cause the roots to become waterlogged. When roots are submerged for too much time, they may not receive enough oxygen, which is essential for their respiration and overall health. This lack of oxygen can lead to root rot, making the roots weak and susceptible to fungal infections or decay. After using this potato and baking soda solution to care for the plants over 4 months, you'll likely notice several positive changes in the leaves. The leaves should become greener, thicker, and more vibrant, showing signs of improved health and vitality. The roots should become thicker, healthier, and more numerous, indicating strong growth and good absorption of nutrients. Any previous signs of root rot or dryness should diminish. You may also notice brighter, more vibrant yellow flowers blooming more frequently and lasting longer. The leaves of this plant have become a deep, rich green, a clear sign of improved health and vitality. Not only that, but many new leaf shoots have started to emerge from within, indicating that the plant is actively growing and responding well to the care routine. The roots have turned a rich, dark brown color and appear strong and healthy. This deep tone indicates that the roots are mature, well-nourished, and functioning efficiently. They're firm to the touch, not mushy or dried out. The The flowers on this plant have also bloomed into a beautiful, vibrant yellow, a true highlight of the care it has received. The petals are bright, fresh, and full of life, reflecting the plant's overall health and energy. This kind of rich yellow bloom is often a sign that the plant is not only getting the nutrients it needs, but is also thriving in its growing environment. That's the end of today's episode. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to share it with fellow orchid lovers and your loved ones. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to support our channel and stay updated with more great orchid care tips. See you next time.